What's going on, everybody? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, enjoying this beautiful day here in St. Louis, Missouri. We got the Bronco here. We're about to throw on the Turbosmart Dual Port Blow-Off Valve. So there are a few benefits to this direct replacement blow-off valve other than the stereotypical blow-off valve whoosh noise that you might be familiar with, and that is going to be its unique boost balance technology as well as its positive seal O-ring. Basically what that is going to do is going to give you increased boost building characteristics. It's going to hold boost better, and it's going to give you a snappier throttle response. The Turbosmart blow-off valve is designed to actuate instead of opening under boost alone. This means you can run the lightest possible spring, which gives you super fast response, but it also means that both sides of the internal piston are subjected to the same boost pressure when accelerating and under load. For this install, you'll need the following tools. You'll need a ratchet, an extension, and an 8mm socket. All right, to begin this installation, we're going to go ahead and remove this connector right here on the factory bypass valve. As you'll notice, we do have the Panda Motorworks bypass valve delete kit on our Bronco. So normally there would be a tube here, but if you've already done the delete, there will be no tube. So then we're going to go ahead and take our 8mm socket. We're going to go ahead and remove these 3 screws. Depending on your ratchet and socket set, you may need an extension to access this bottom screw. So in this instance, we do need an extension to get that bottom screw removed. With that 3rd screw removed, you can go ahead and remove your factory bypass valve. Now it's time to install the Turbosmart. To get the blow-off valve ready for installation, there are a few steps you got to do. 1 is putting this O-ring on, and 2 is taking this clip and sliding it on. Basically what that allows you to do is to swivel the blow-off valve. So this blow-off valve does actually work with multiple applications. This way you can kind of just twist and get the electronic port where you need it. With all that being said, now it's time to install the blow-off valve. So we're just going to mate it up to the original location. And for this install, we're actually going to be reusing the factory hardware and not going to be using the hardware included in the blow-off valve kit. Get everything started, secure it into place. I also would like to note on this this little ring bracket, you're going to have the open part facing down. With everything tightened down, we're going to go ahead and reconnect our clip. All right, there you go. All right, so there you have it. We just installed the Turbosmart Dual Port Blow-Off Valve on the 2.3 liter Bronco here. If you want the performance gains of this blow-off valve, but you're not too big on the sound, there is also a plumb-back version, which is a lot quieter, but you still get the same performance benefits. If you guys like this video, be sure to smash that like button. If you guys want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe and have that notification bell clicked. And if you got a comment for us, drop it below. Thanks for watching.